Hi everyone, today's video is going to be on how to make a pop-up card, and as you can see in front of you we have got some glue, a ruler, pencil, some colourful birals and we've got scissors and we've got some glitter. You can add sequins or anything else you want for decoration. So let's get started. Move all this out of the way. First thing we're going to do is use we've got a piece of card and we're going to fold that in half. And 3/4 of the way down, so around about there, we're going to draw with our pencil and ruler 2 lines. So just about 6 centimetres across. You can do this halfway in the card, but the reason I've done it just slightly below is because, well, you will see. So what I'm going to do now is use my scissors carefully to cut across these 2 lines. As you can see, I have done that. What I'm going to do next is open up my card and push this bit through. So if I push that, open the card up and pull this bit in and bend it and just put a little fold there so that when I open my card it starts to pop out. And I'm going to turn this bit into a box, so keep watching. I'm going to put this away just there and I'm going to get my other piece of green card. So what I'm going to do with this, I need 2 little flaps to go on our box as the box lid. So for that I'm going to draw a line, and that's a similar sort of size to the one that we've just drawn earlier, but just not as big. So if we did like a 6 centimetre, we'll do a 5 centimetre or just below. We need to do 2 of those as we're going to have 2 box lids. Again, I'm going to cut them, but this time I'm going to keep watching and cut those slightly bigger because we will be folding. So I've got my one piece here, I'm going to do the same with the other piece. So now I have got 2 pieces right in front of us. What I'm going to do with these is fold them in half. I'm going to put one there and just fold these so that they look like this. What I'm going to do now is, as you can see, what I'm going to do is put some glue on this part of the flap. You can use some PVA glue, or if you've got a glue stick you can use that. So once I've put a little bit of glue there, I'm going to bring back my box. I'm going to just, the inside bit, I'm just going to glue that down, and there is our lid for the box. So I'm going to do the same with the other one. So there we go. So once we close it, this is how our card is going to look. Once we open it, we've got a pop-up box, which we're going to fill with hearts or anything that you want. You want to draw teddies, anything that you like, and I will show you how. What I'm going to do is get some colourful cards, colourful pieces of paper. So if I've got, I can use pinks or reds, and I'm going to draw different shapes such as hearts. I might want to do some stars. You can use lots of different things that you want to cut out and decorate your box with. I've already got some ready, so once you've done that, you just use your scissors carefully to cut these out. So here are some that I have got ready. So I have done some blue and gold hearts and some red and gold stars. What we're going to do is put a little tiny bit of glue here and attach this bit inside the box, like so. So if I just do that now. Just to make it more secure, you can also use some tape, which I think works better, as glue takes some time to set. I'm just going to get some sellotape, which I've just got on the side here, and on the back I'm just going to glue, sellotape that in, just there, like that. And I'm going to do the same with the stars. So first I'm going to use some glue. And also at the back I'm going to put some tape. There we have it. So what I'm going to do next is close it. We're nearly towards the end now, and what we need is another piece of card to go on the top of this. So here I have a silver one which I have already folded. I'm going to use glue all on here so that I can glue it into my card. So this time I'm going to use some glue. I have just used PVA glue this time to glue that part into my silver card. Also glue this part down onto the card. So let's do it. I'm going to use some PVA glue. I'm going to let that set. Whilst I'm letting it set, I'm going to close my card and decorate the top. So on the top, I'm going to make a card. This card could be for anyone. It could be for your, for Father's Day, for your mummy, for your nanny, for anyone who is special to you. It can also be for your friends. So I'm going to do this card for my daddy. So I'm going to write to my daddy. And what I'm going to do is draw some love hearts on it. Draw some stars on it. I'm sure you're going to be better at drawing than me, so I'm just going to colour this in. So my card is at the front is looking silver and gold. Okay. This is the time where you can use your felts, your birons, and you can use your glitter on your little love hearts. Should we put some glitter on? I'm going to put a bit of PVA glue on. I think I might have put a bit too much on. Let me just take a bit off. I've got a pot of glitter, so I'm going to just throw a bit of glitter on there. And I'm going to shake it and back into the pot. Oops. This is what happens with glitter. And there we have it. So we've got To My Daddy. I don't know how well you can see that. To My Daddy. And you have your card here. And if I just move that out of the way. And just move all this glitter so you can see properly. When you open your card, hopefully it should be, ta-da, 3D. And you've got your 3D pop-up box, and you can write any message you want inside of your card. There was another one I have done just to show you. I've done that one. You've got your star 3D, pop-up 3D stars, 3D hearts. Also one To My Daddy, another one To My Daddy. There's a red one with lots of lovely love hearts, and again opens up into little love hearts. So there you have it. There's your pop-up card. Thank you ever so much for watching. Take care.